Hello friends, my name is Arif. In this video, I will show you how to reset the settings on your computer or laptop. If you have messed up any settings on your device, I will explain exactly how to fix them. So, without any drama or wasted time, let's get straight to it. First, turn on your computer or laptop screen. I should mention that the process for resetting settings is the same across Windows 7, 8, 10, and 11. If any settings are messed up, there is no need to worry. Simply resetting them will fix the issue and restore your computer or laptop to normal. So, let's see how to do this. First, locate the Windows button, also known as the Start button. Simply click on it. It is located in the same spot, usually on the side, across all Windows versions. Then, click on Settings. If you are using Windows 7, you will need to locate the Settings option specifically. You will see several options here. Look for the one labeled Update and Security. Click on it, and an interface will appear. Scroll down the side menu to find the Recovery option. Simply click on Recovery. Once you do, two options will appear. Pay close attention here and do not skip any part of the video, as a single wrong step could damage your computer or laptop. Proceed with great caution. The first option is Keep My Files. It notes that this removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files. So, if we select this first option, as I am doing now, I've gone ahead and transferred those files elsewhere. Now, regarding the options, if you select the first option, the photos, videos, and other files stored on your hard drive will not be deleted, only your computer settings will be reset. However, keep in mind that any applications or apps you have installed on your computer or laptop will be completely removed. Then there is the second option, Remove Everything. If you select this, it removes all personal files, apps, and settings. Essentially, your computer will revert to a brand new state, just like when you perform a fresh Windows installation. Personally, I recommend choosing the first option. Once you click it, the process begins, so you'll need to wait a bit. Oh, and I forgot to mention something crucial. You must keep your computer or laptop connected to a power source. Resetting a computer or laptop can take anywhere from 2 to 4 hours. Even with a fast processor, expect it to take at least an hour and a half. If you are resetting a laptop, keep it plugged into the charger. Also, ensure the charger is connected to a power outlet backed by an inverter. If you are using a desktop computer, do not rely on a standard UPS, connect it to an inverter-backed outlet to prevent power loss. If the computer shuts down during the reset process, it could cause serious issues like corrupting Windows or losing all your data. You need to keep this in mind. Also, there is one more important thing I need to mention. When we reset our computer or laptop, it restarts several times. You don't need to panic, just be patient. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it helped you even a little, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.